This is the second closet of the kids' closet. I have finished the first one. This is the girls' closet. It's not as big as the other one. It has only first section, second section, and third section. And I have my little friend here. Yeah, we are decluttering her closet. So that's what I'm gonna do here. I am hoping I will not take much time in this one. So let's get started. To declutter the second closet of the kids' closet, this one behind me for the girl. It's not as big as the other one for the boys, so it has three sections. This is the first section, the second section, and the third section at the far end. And I'm hoping I will be able to finish it as fast as possible, but it looks like it has a lot more clothes. So yeah, let's get started. By the way, this is my outfit. Yep. The first section of the second closet. This is the girls' closet. Haven't done anything in here.
You're taking a photo of my dress.
Yeah. The second section of the second closet. And finally, the last.
That's my other dress. That's my other dress. When I was a baby.
Finally, the last section of the closet. This is not as big as the other closet, and removed everything from the first section of the closet. I have wiped it. I've already started returning some clothes up there, but I want to now go through this pile and look at them. Then we'll proceed to the next section of the closet. The last part. This is the last part that I am working on. Then we'll be done here. The first part of the closet is done, decluttered, edited, and well organized. I love how everything is looking. The second part is also looking good, well organized from the top to the dresses and some shirts. Then down below, a blanket. So the second part is equally looking good. And now we are going to the final part of the closet is done. We are officially done here. We are done here. And ladies and gentlemen, that's our closet for today. And this is what I got out of the two closets. Not much, but a much needed organizing and decluttering. It's 7:30 and I am done with the two closets for the kids. I was here by 12 noon, and I must say that that was fast for two closets and for three kids. So I am super tired but extremely happy and very, very, very excited of what I've done here. Thank you so much for watching, for liking, for commenting, for subscribing, and I will catch you guys on my next video. If you like your closet to be decluttered and you're in Kenya, you can reach out to me. We can organize that. I do that for both men and women, and now for kids. So if you need your closet decluttered, edited, and organized, or even your kids, please reach out to me and I will be so glad to do that for you. See you guys on my next video. Bye. Hey, welcome to the second closet of the kids' closet. This is not as big as the one I've decluttered, so I am hoping I will not take as much time in this, but it looks like it's even more full than the other one. This is for the girls, so yeah, the door just banged. So let's get started on this one.